X factors for 2025. Let me give you one. Trump no longer president. He's just about to be inaugurated, but there is some suggestion that he might be too old at some point. Remember Biden? Health reasons, something like that. War in Taiwan, another one. The RBA raises rates. There's some suggestion the RBA have completely missed this easing cycle. And if inflation does reinflate, then they may be raising rates, not cutting rates next. How about a material hacking of a major bank? Cyber security is a major issue. Hacking is on the rise. What would happen if it wouldn't have to be an Australian bank, but a bank in the world found that they got properly hacked and the money disappeared? Imagine some sort of major cyber hack. The other one that is obvious is imagine some sort of internet disruption. The world would grind to a halt. You think COVID was bad for the economy. Imagine what a intermittent internet integrity would do for the global economy, let alone the Australian economy, let alone the Marcus Today newsletter. We wouldn't be able to send anybody anything. Another one which somebody threw up is imagine an AI disruption of some sort. Maybe there is an NVIDIA chip recall, something like that. There is a suggestion, of course, that they have a heating problem anyway. But imagine something that disrupts AI from a non-thinking or philosophical front, but from a physical front. That could happen. Lithium batteries, they may prove to be, imagine we're sitting here in a year's time and thinking that lithium is old technology. Maybe some technology breakthrough is going to happen on EVs, which completely changes the dynamics for batteries and electric vehicles. And imagine if you're sitting there with a new electric vehicle and you suddenly find everyone's gone to hydrogen or something. So some sort of technology improvement or change that shocks the world is always possible. And that's a few of the X factors I could think of. You have a think for yourself. What would disrupt the world? I've always thought that you should invest with the fear, or we're taking into account the possibility that a terrorist bomb blew up the New York Stock Exchange and it had to shut for a month. Imagine what prices would be when the stock exchange opened a month later. In 9/11, when 9/11 happened and there was a jet engine sitting on the pavement outside the New York Stock Exchange, it shut for a week and everybody sat there for a week fearful about what's going to happen in the next week. Systems are always fabulous. Stock market is always comfortable until some unexpected X factor event happens. I wonder what's going to happen this year. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out our new website. Subscribe today.